Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the June 2026 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you know, you know, this box here, myself and Rena over at Boxes and Deals, we do in collaboration together, and we do this every other month where I will be showing you the manifestation box here on my channel. And then if you would pop on over to Rena's channel and you can see what she got in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. That way you can see both subscriptions and see which one you would be interested if you were wanting to purchase one. You can see both variations. So in mine, again, is the manifestation box where you have the bracelet, the necklace, the healing crystal, you have what we're working with, and you have your own astrology. That is all included in this one. You let them know your wrist size, your length of your necklace that you prefer, and then your zodiac sign, and they tailor it all to you, and they make these boxes every month. For the Mother Earth Wrap Club, they are both exactly the same pricing, but for that one, you get the beautiful wrap bracelet. They're always normally sparkly, just dainty, just so pretty. You can stack them, wear it as a bracelet, a choker. Rena does that, and it looks super, super cute on her. So with that one, you get the wrap bracelet, and then you get one free little mystery gift that could be anything and everything under the sun in there. So there's something else in there, but it's mainly just for the wrap bracelet. You don't get the astrology and all of that other stuff. It's just the wrap bracelet. So again, you can check out this one and then pop on over to Rena's and see what she got in hers. I love seeing what she gets as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's inside of the June box. They always come down in this box. And then you always have a handwritten card from the owner. Attention to details, always spot on. You always have a sticker keeping everything together. And when we get it open, here is a sneak peek to inside of my box. Let me go ahead and pull out all this paperwork so we can go over that first. Ooh, we have a little bookmarker in here too. The owner did write her own book that you can purchase either like a hard copy, or I believe you can get like an audio version as well. You can even have a signed copy if you wanted to purchase that off of their website, or you can get it off of Amazon. But if you want a signed copy, you can purchase it off of the actual website directly. And you can use my code or Rena's code. It doesn't do anything to us, it just saves for you. So whichever one you want to use. Mine is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off the shop or your very first subscription. So if you want to check that out, use my code, use hers, whichever, but they will be in the description box to pop on over to check them out. They sell all kinds of stuff individually. If you don't want to go to one of the subscriptions to lock in, you can just shop their shop at any given time for yourself, for gift ideas, anything like that. I've gone to their site and bought stuff. They do amazing deals every now and then. So if you want to sign up to like their mailer, you can be aware and see the different deals that they have. Like whenever there's like Friday the 13th, there's amazing deals on bracelets. I've stocked up a few times that way. So again, you can check them out down below and see all of the amazing things that they do have to offer. So let's go ahead and dive in. Here's all of the paperwork. So we do, ooh, this even shows you some more of their beautiful jewelry. Again, you can stack them, wrap them, one, use two, whatever you would like. Their jewelry is just really pretty. So let's start with what we are working with. It says, adventure awaits. What fills your soul? So you can read this whole entire thing to know what we're working with for this month of June. Then I have my astrology. Again, you tell them your zodiac sign. I am a Scorpio, so I get to sit down and read my own astrology for the month. Then you always have two meditation cards. It's meant for one for you to keep and one for you to gift, or you can keep them both, use them for scrapbooking. You can do whatever you want, but you do get two of them every time. This is this month's, and it says jobs fill your pocket, but adventures fill your soul. Yes, there you go. The two cards for the month. And then down inside of this box is probably where we're gonna have all of the other goodies. So let's get this opened. You can always store your jewelry down in these boxes as well. You always get these cards, and I always tell you guys, I love that. I save them. I have mine in alphabetical order. If I ever am trying to figure out a crystal, I love that there's photos so you can kind of match it up. And then there's a brief description, and normally I can read every word and not saying a lot. So I love these cards because then again, I can go back and reference them. I can see what it is, what it's called, what it does, that kind of thing. So I love these cards right here. So let's go with, I'm assuming the one that just says mindfulness will be for the necklace this month, because this month it's not a crystal. It's like a design. Looks like maybe it's in resin or something like that. I don't think we've ever received anything like that. Normally it is a crystal that we get. Though the card for this one says, mindfulness is the process of bringing one's attention to experiences occurring in the present moment. My empowering jewelry will help you achieve this goal. So that is the necklace. Then we have the crystal, the healing crystal for this month. Oh, I love, it's a heart for one. Sometimes they're shaped, sometimes they're not. This one is turquoise. Look at how beautiful. I love turquoise. The biggest gift of turquoise is helping us know that every part of us is in alignment with our divine self, to be understood and embraced. Turquoise encourages us to accept ourselves, scars and all. It can help release regret and find self-acceptance, which is important. Turquoise is believed to bring luck and to possess powers, including the ability to promote wealth, attract love, and bring happiness. So there is the turquoise. So there's the healing crystal. And then the last card I have is for the actual bracelet. And it looks like we have a frosted aura quartz. We did get a bracelet that looks very, very similar. I think it had bigger balls, bigger beads on it, and it had a little bit of color on the top, where this one is just all standard clear frosted aura quartz. I love the different color shifts that you get to these little beads. Frosted aura quartz is the perfect stone for you if you need uplifting energy and deep emotional healing. This crystal helps people overcome emotional distress and instability by providing inner peace, mental clarity, and pure serenity. It also provides powerful protection by creating a shield around your aura that guides against negative energies. Angel Aura Quartz is curated by bonding clear quartz with platinum and silver. So there is the bracelet. Again, super pretty. All these beautiful colors that are coming through the beads. And very, very simple, dainty, way smaller beads than what we normally get. So that's cool to have something a little different. And then you have your healing crystal. And then let me get this bracelet or necklace on so you can see it. Oop. Hold on, there's a big old knot here. I cannot get that knot out. I think I got it. Finally, I literally been sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to get that thing out, and I got it. Whew. Jeez. There's the necklace, there's the bracelet, and there is the healing crystal for June. All right, so that is everything again for the June 2026 manifestation box. I'm loving this turquoise. I like all the different colors in here, and this is completely different. Definitely not a crystal, but it's something completely different for this month. But let me know down below what you thought about it. What would be your favorite item from this month? If you popped on over to Rena's, if not, go check it out now and then come back and let me know which one you like better. Did you like her wrap bracelet, or did you like this manifestation? Let me know which one you like better for this month. If you want some pricing, I will let you know right about now. Again, my code is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off if you are interested. Now, again, both are the same pricing for the manifestation and for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. So if you want to just do month per month, you can cancel at any time with any of them. Month per month is $39 per box. To save money, you can go to a quarterly plan of 3 months, and that would be $36 per month. A 6-month plan would bring your box price down to $34 per month, and a full 12-month prepaid plan would bring your box price down to $33 per box. And that is amazing for everything that you get inside of this box. And again, it's custom made for you. So that is everything for this box. They will be listed in the description box. Again, if you want to pop on over, check either one of their subscriptions or all of their amazing products you can buy individually on their website. It'll all be in the description. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.